It is a very beautiful day. I hope I get no disturbance.
I go in that hill for that nasty dread. He stole my grandpa chalice, and I shall go for it. Kongfu dread! Your locks look brown and nasty. I'm going to beat the hell out of you. Return my chalice! I'm gonna beat the hell out of you! Kongfu dread!
What do you want, Ning Lang Pang?
You stole my chalice! Return my chalice! Seems like you already stressed from that chalice!
This chalice have a lot of memories. Your grandpa murdered my grandpa and stole his chalice. So now I have it for myself, and I shall never return it. Ha!
Kongfu dread! Why you want to die? Return my chalice!
So you're being rude. I shall have to teach you a lesson. My Kung Fu is the best, and I'm undefeatable. And I shall never return it. You'll never try to think of challenging me.
That's what it's all.
Bastard, eh? Trying to defeat. Ha, ha, ha.
Your shoe can't even fit you. I guess you worried.
I am undefeatable.
You kick me in the stomach.
You think you can defeat me? Well, you'll see. You're not having sufficient drink of your Lasco, you're weak. Imagine your master.
Ross! You killed my brother! Damn! Kongfu Saddam! Don't die! My brother! Don't die! You get me, Ross, man! You shall defend yourself!
Brother! Take revenge!
My brother said I should take revenge! I shall beat the hell out of you! Oh, you stole my... Oh, wow! You stole my jacket! Oh, my hat! Oh, my hat! Now my grandmother mouth! Defend it! Oh, I know that one. I mean that. That my Kung Fu is too weak for you, but I shall fight to that.
You have a very cheesy foot and want to defeat me. Oh, bastard. Who taught you Kung Fu? Seems like you learned from a chicken. Your master must be a chicken then. Oh, go back and train, you damn fool. Oh. Bastard! Your master is worthless. You need to go back to the temple and train. Go home to your stupid master, bitch.
I shall return!
Bastard! Yeah, but very cheesy food.
Everybody say
Hey.
hey,
Hey.
hey. All the women say hey, 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 hey.